Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to cancel an Uber Eats order after you've placed the order. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so time is of the essence in this situation. So go ahead and launch your Uber Eats app and tap on your orders icon. This is located at the bottom menu bar of your screen, and from your order history, find and tap on the ongoing order you wish to cancel from the list that is displayed. Now, on the order details screen, locate and tap the cancel order button to begin the cancellation process. A confirmation pop-up will now appear. You can tap on cancel order again just to verify that you want to proceed with canceling your order. Now, select a cancellation reason from the options provided and then tap on done to complete the process. Now, as I mentioned, timing is really important. You can cancel your orders free of charge, but only before the restaurant actually accepts the order. So once the restaurant starts preparing the food on a delivery and a delivery person is assigned, your cancellation may incur a fee, and depending on how far that order is, you may as well just accept the fact that you cannot now cancel that order because it's already been processed. I hope this was insightful.